Multi-crore stamp paper scam kingpin Abdul Karim Telgi's letter to the Sessions Court judge who's hearing his case has kicked up a massive row. His letter is now being looked at as a ploy to get a reduced sentence. Sources have told Times Now that Telgi is seeking concurrent judgment which will lessen the jail time for him. Telgi had written to the Sessions Court judge yesterday expressing shock over the delay in the case. He questioned the CBI judge Chitra Bedi to hear the full case before her transfer next month.
That the judgments be delivered. But the whole object is that suppose if he is convicted, he is not ready for consecutive sentences. Okay. He is asking for concurrent sentences. That means the whole object is that to get the concurrent sentences and within a year or two after this remission is adjusted, come out of the jail and enjoy. That is the object of Mr. Telgi. That type of arguments are not heard. In all the cases, they have been given concurrent sentences. Not only here in Mumbai, everywhere, in Bangalore, in all the states, Telgi has been given concurrent sentences. Therefore, he is expecting that in a year or two, he will come out and he will enjoy. That's the whole plan. Idea is because almost in all the cases in which he has pleaded guilty, at Pune and in Mumbai, his judge only has pronounced the judgment and given the sentence to him. So all the sentences which have been given to him have to run concurrently. Now also, in the cases in which the judgment is about to be delivered, he has prayed for concurrent sentences, which the CBI is strongly opposing. CBI wants him to be given sentence consecutively.
And Telgi in his letter expressed shock at the delay in the judgment. He has requested the CBI judge to expedite proceedings against him because the trial has been on for 6 years now. And Telgi's lawyer has said that despite pleading guilty, Telgi's case was not moving forward, which forced him to write a letter to the Sessions Court judge.
The entire evidence is completed, the arguments are over, and now the matter is posted for judgment, and it is at a final stage. In most of the matters, the judgments were already delivered, and in this particular matter, he has filed an application for plead guilty long back. The evidence was going on for a long period, and in spite of filing the application for plead guilty, the judgment was, and therefore he was desperate to get the judgment from the said judge.